How close can I get?
Dual-wielded lightsaber battle! I don't know. Let's do this wide shot.
Come on. I guess that didn't really work.
Dude. You almost hit my camera, you shit, I stepped on it. No, you're throwing it in my face!
Okay, never mind. This thing's so small, dude, I'm gonna get killed.
Wait, no! What the fuck, you ass? Wait, you gotta hit me, I hit you earlier. No, I didn't hit you really hard. Ow, fuck, it just stinks! Holy shit.
I don't want to get hit in the hand. No. Look at this little thing. You're not even in the shot, dude. You can't keep throwing them, dude. The ass one hurt. Like that. Wait, hold on. Let me get that break on my ass.
Let me kick it. Hold it out.
Wait, hold on. Let me just bust you in the foot.
Let me kick it.
I'm gonna bust you in the foot. Hold your foot up.
No, you're not busting me in the foot. I'm kicking it.
It's the same fucking thing.
No, it's not. Hold it out so I can kick it.
Ah. Dude, it fucking hurts. Alright, now what do we do about all these glass shards?
I don't know.
I think since